Welcome to the Anatomy of Fraud, the Investigator's Dossier. This video explores the universal mechanics of forgery, the forensic countermeasures, and the global legal frameworks used to combat it. Forgery is defined as an unauthorized act, combined with a specific intent to defraud concerning a material object. It is a crime against public and private trust, regardless of whether the fraud is ultimately successful. Forgery revolves around three primary targets, or pillars of deception: physical documents, fine art, and digital signatures. Each target requires different methods of forgery and corresponding detection techniques. Physical document alteration relies on methods like mechanical or chemical deletion and additions. Forensic detection utilizes techniques such as iodine vapor absorption for mechanical deletion and video spectral comparators for chemical changes. Investigators follow a decision tree based on the visual signs of alteration. This guides them to deploy specific forensic tools, such as ESDA for mechanical erasure or spectroscopy for chemical changes. The Electrostatic Detection Apparatus, or ESDA, is a key tool. The process involves humidification, applying a charging film, delivering a static charge via a corona wire wand, and finally, a toner cascade to reveal invisible indentations. ESDA relies on Seward's charge transport model. Detection is not caused by physical pressure, but by a surface charge effect. Indented areas become less negatively charged, attracting the negatively charged toner. Art forgery is successful at the intersection of pastiche, false provenance, and financial intent. Master forgers, like Han van Meegeren, rely on charisma and trustworthiness to recruit middlemen and hide their tracks. Digital forgery is categorized by a hierarchy of severity. Existential forgery is the easiest, involving the creation of one valid signature. Universal forgery is the catastrophic extreme, allowing signatures for any message. RSA existential forgery exploits the multiplicative property of the system, allowing two legitimate signatures to be combined mathematically to create a third fraudulent one. The countermeasure is always applying a cryptographic hash before signing. International prosecution frameworks for forgery vary significantly. Penalties can range from intent-based sentences in India to up to 10 years in the UK and Canada, with unique legal definitions across different jurisdictions. In Bahrain, the legal framework highlights several nuances. Digital signatures on PDFs hold the same legal severity as handwritten ink. Verbal consent is not a legal defense for simulating a signature, and attempted forgery carries criminal liability. The forgery arms race demonstrates the continuous conflict between the fraudster's methods and the investigator's countermeasures across all three mediums: physical documents, fine art, and digital signatures. Whether using a razor blade, a paintbrush, or an algorithm, the fundamental act of forgery remains the same: the human intent to defraud. Forensic tools and legal frameworks must constantly evolve to keep pace. This concludes the dossier. The Exhibit Index provides source authorities for the forensic science, cryptography, jurisprudence, and case histories referenced in this video.